It's
See,
on.
it's flashing.
Shadow. It's completely blacked out now. Hold on. What the hell?
That one escaped. So we gotta go back down here. Alright, you got me?
I think so. Yeah, alright, I see you. Alright, now I'm in focus.
Are
Gotta
you
grab
recording?
one. Yep, I believe it's flashing red. Does that mean I'm recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's in focus too.
Oh, he escaped.
These guys are gonna get pissed. Need better lighting. She's calling me. Hold on for a second.